Hey, hey, hey. Well, that was interesting. So, yeah, I don't know what just happened there. Just out of the blue, Streamlabs decided to completely die on me right as things got good. Oh man, and I really planned to stay on for like another 20 minutes too. Holy crap. But yeah, so just to catch up what I was doing right before the crash, I went in and what was it? So I got this version 2 of Blend Trigger. I set it to the blueprint for Camera Follow version 2, which I manually put in the fixed Z value. So it should lock it in. It locks it into a specific Z axis, which, oh my goodness, that was driving me nuts trying to get that actual number because the number I had to use is off from what is being displayed in the location here. Let me shrink this down so you guys get a better view. Oh, of course, yeah. All my settings got wiped out, so fun. Let's get this back up. There. So anyway, so yeah, I was able to get the correct Z axis, and lo and behold, when I go in, okay, this right now we're in the right thing. We'll go down the hill. Oh, here we pop up. Oh, completely out of whack. Well, let's go through here, and then we go. Look, we're still correct. What sorcery is this? So, now I want to try something. I got a feeling this is not going to work the way I hope, but I'm telling it to use. But it's keeping it, and I move around, everything's staying correctly where I want it, which is great. So I want. Which one is it? It is. Okay, there we go. So. Oh, okay. One thing I need to do too. Well, let's implement this right now. So I did camera define. Camera define is the first one. So we don't need actor define, but what I want to do is. Oh, well, actually. Um, get. Actually, it is actor define. So I actually was using the right thing. I need to. Actor define. File. That's exactly what I want, so we put that here. Make that visible. Compile that. And now if I actually. Okay, yeah, I'm implementing this right now. So if I go here, do this, I can do BP camera follow 2, which is the one I want. Save all. Shouldn't mess with anything I just implemented. So what I want to do now I want to go and actually implement the exact same thing. Get actor, just call actor to find. Class reference. We can see it. Pile. Get. So now we can pop that in. That does exactly what we need now. Okay. Save all. Now, here's the thing I'm curious now. This is where, before I cut out, I was thinking, oh great, I'm going to have to implement like a dozen, like 30 cameras into this thing. But it will be worth it if this works. Now, this one I know is going to be wrong. Possibly. So I want follow 2. Now I got a feeling this is not going to work one way. But it might handle it somewhere else. Anyway, so let's see. Now if I dive here, yeah, see, this is where the problem is going to lie. And there's no way I can... Because right now it is locked on... It's still a couple pixels. It looks like it's a pixel off. But anyway, it is locked on to this. But if I... There we go. So that did work. I just got to implement a shit ton of... Now, what I could do to deal with the issue where I just have to at least do 2 of these things next to each other. That should take care of it. So we have a solution now, which is great. Well, right in the 11th hour, right as I'm getting ready to wrap it up for the night, we hit a solution. So, yeah, I gotta make a... Oh my gosh, how many do I have to make these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So I gotta make 23 of these cameras. But that's it, 23. And each section is, depending on where you're dropping, it connects to one of those. And it locks you into where you need to be. This is freaking awesome. I got my solution. And we were already talking about earlier in the show how when it comes to dropping through the different levels, I liked having that pause because that feels a lot more NES-esque. NES. Oh my god, that still bugs me, but it feels more like what I would expect from an NES game. I know Metroid was pretty smooth, but I mean, I feel I need to go play some more NES games right now because I feel like that was something I remember happening where going sideways was fine, but dropping down, there's always this chunkiness. But I could be wrong. It could be like one of those, just a memory I have that's not legit. But I think this would work. I also feel like this is the type of thing that would have been a way to solve issues with going vertical and horizontal in an NES game. A solution. I should try it out with NES Maker. see what happens when I go, because that does allow me to go up and down, vertical and horizontal, and see what happens when I drop to another section. If I see that pause type situation, that could be a good sign. That's what I need to do. So, whew. Why does it say I started streaming less than a minute ago? I started streaming 10 minutes ago. Ugh, I hate this. I'm going to have to go through and stitch these two things together. But, oh man, this is great. I am excited. It works. Now the fun part is going through and adding all these cameras into it. But that will be for another night. I am so excited. Right as, we're getting close to 2 a.m., I got it working. I got the camera to do what I want it to do. And the other fun part is going to be trying to find the freaking coordinates for everything, because it's not going to be a simple, let me grab one, let me copy this number over, because that's not, sadly, not the way it is. Because, yeah, see, that's that number, and let's see, how much of a difference is there? Oh, there's 2, so okay, let's just go notepad. Let's see. Oh, now you open. Yes, screw you. You can close back down. So that's the number from position, and that's the number that I had to put in. Now, maybe if I can find what the difference is and I can just subtract that from every single one, that could be a quick solution there. And that'd make things go a lot easier. But nice. Whew, well, that's it for me tonight, guys. Thank you all so much for hanging out tonight. This another productive night. I'm excited. The camera is gonna. I might try to hammer out the whole entire camera system tomorrow night. So we'll see. I don't think I have anything going on tomorrow. I could be wrong. We'll find out. I'm still gonna see if I'm gonna clone. I'm gonna make a backup of the game right now, so just in case someone gets back to me over the weekend with a alternative that might be a lot better option than what I'm doing. But that being said, I love this option. I think it's going to do exactly what I want. Oh yeah, it's going to do exactly what I want. Oh man, I am on cloud 9 right now. I am so excited on how that worked. Whew. Oh yeah, so maybe tomorrow night might do a new episode, and it's just gonna be me sitting and implementing all these pathways so that we can get that cool NES feel. And then next week, I don't know, depends what I feel like doing. We might implement some more content into the game, start adding some stuff. Maybe I'll start working on trying to figure out the stupid AI. Oh boy, that AI is giving me a headache. But the camera working, my attention is now going to be shifted over to that. So anyway, it is now 2 a.m. So I'm going to head out, guys, and thank you all so much for hanging out with me tonight. It's been wonderful as always, and I will see you guys all next week here at Medaverse. So long.